Buldak Fire Noodles. Samyang released Buldak noodles in South Korea in 2012. 1 year later, the Fire Noodle Challenge was on YouTube. People filmed themselves crying, sweating, and vomiting. Samyang's sales increased 40% in 12 months entirely because of suffering videos. The noodles measure 4,400 Scoville units. A jalapeno measures 8,000. The heat is not even extreme by pepper standards. The experience of eating them is. Korea exported a noodle. The internet turned it into a global endurance sport. Nobody at Samyang planned for the vomiting. The vomiting was free advertising. Takis loaded nachos. Takis were invented in Mexico in 1999. American teenagers discovered them in the 2000s. Schools across the United States banned them for causing what teachers described as chaotic behavior. Barcel's U.S. sales increased every time a school announced a ban. The bans were free advertising. The loaded nachos version appeared on TikTok in 2020. Takis crushed into a nacho base with cheese, jalapenos, and sour cream. Millions of views. A Mexican snack chip banned by American schools became the base ingredient for a viral comfort food. The schools helped more than any marketing campaign.
Nashville Hot Chicken. Nashville Hot Chicken was invented in the 1930s as an act of revenge. Thornton Prince's girlfriend, furious about his late nights out, loaded his fried chicken with cayenne pepper, intending to punish him. He loved it. He built a restaurant around it. Prince's Hot Chicken Shack has been operating in Nashville ever since. The dish stayed local for 70 years until food media discovered it in the 2010s. Within 5 years, every major fast food chain in America had released a hot chicken sandwich. A revenge meal became a billion-dollar fast food category. The girlfriend has never received credit.
Spicy chicken feet. Chicken feet have been eaten across Asia, the Caribbean, and Latin America for centuries. America ignored them. Then, Korean fried chicken culture arrived in U.S. cities in the 2010s. Spicy chicken feet appeared on menus from Los Angeles to New York. Food media declared them a trend. The rest of the world had been eating them for 1,000 years. No trend required, no food media necessary. Americans discovered chicken feet in 2015 and acted like they invented them. They did not. They were just the last ones to show up.
Birria Tacos. Birria is a Mexican stew from Jalisco. It existed for 500 years as wedding food. In 2019, a Los Angeles taco truck started dipping tortillas in the braising liquid before grilling them. Someone filmed it. The video went viral. Within 6 months, birria trucks had opened in every major American city. Within 2 years, every Mexican restaurant in the country had birria on the menu. A 500-year-old stew became the most Googled taco in America. The reason it went viral was not the flavor. It was the dip. Someone dipped a tortilla in the wrong pot and changed the entire taco industry. Flamin Hot corn on the cob. Flamin Hot Cheetos were allegedly invented in 1991 by Richard Montañez, a janitor at Frito-Lay who called the CEO directly to pitch the idea. Frito-Lay disputes this story. The snack's success is not disputed. The corn-on-the-cob version, elote rolled in crushed Flamin' Hot Cheetos, came from Mexican-American street food culture in Los Angeles. A centuries-old Mexican street food merged with a disputed corporate origin story and became a viral food trend. Nobody trademarked the combination. Anyone can make it. Everyone did. TikTok made sure of that.
Buffalo. Buffalo wings were created in 1964 from a delivery mistake. The Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York, received chicken wings instead of the parts they ordered. Instead of sending them back, Teresa Bellissimo fried them and covered them in hot sauce and butter. She had no plan. Americans now eat 1.4 billion buffalo wings on Super Bowl Sunday alone. One delivery mistake created an entire food category worth billions of dollars annually.
Spicy Pepperoni Pizza. Pepperoni is not Italian. It was invented by Italian immigrants in New York in the early 1900s. Italy does not have pepperoni. Italians visiting America encounter it for the first time and find it confusing. The spicy version adds Calabrian chili or hot honey. Hot honey on pizza was considered unusual until 2018. Within 3 years, it was on menus nationally. Americans invented a fake Italian ingredient, then made it spicy, then exported it back to Italy as a trend. Italy is still confused. The pepperoni is still not Italian. Nobody is changing the menu. Crispy jalapeno poppers.
Jalapeno poppers appeared on American menus in the 1980s, a halved jalapeno filled with cream cheese, battered and fried. The cream cheese exists to extinguish the heat after the crunch, pain, then relief in a single bite. That is the entire product. TGI Fridays claims to have popularized them nationally. Cream cheese companies have never properly thanked the jalapeno popper for the sales it generated. Americans consume jalapeno poppers at a rate that suggests the cream cheese and jalapeno industries are coordinating. They are not. The market just works. Sometimes the simplest idea is the most ordered item on the menu for 40 years.